Villejuif leaflet. The Villejuif leaflet, also known as the Villejuif flyer and the Villejuif list, was a pamphlet which enjoyed wide distribution. The leaflet listed a number of safe food additives with their numbers as alleged carcinogens. The leaflet caused mass panic in Europe in the late 1970s and 1980s. One of the entries on the list was citric acid A330. Its name derives from its false claim to have been produced at the hospital in Villejuif. History. List contents. Multiple versions of this leaflet circulated, the exact set of suspect and dangerous substances differing from version to version. The following substances have been included on at least one such leaflet: toxic, Eon 102, Eon 110, Eon 120, Eon 123, Eon 124, Eon 127, at 111, at 120 sulfur dioxide, at 125, at 130, at 139, at 150, at 151, at 152. Suspect: Eon 125, Eon 131, Eon 141 chlorophyll derivatives, Eon 142, Eon 150, Eon 153, Eon 171. Research. This phenomenon became the subject of academic empirical research by J.N. Kapferer, president of the Foundation for the Study and Information on Rumors and Organization in Paris, France, and professor of communication at l'École des Hautes Études Commerciales and l'Institut Supérieur des Affaires, a university in France, because of its persistence contrary to all official denials of. The resulting scientific paper was published in 1989 in the 53rd volume of the Public Opinion Quarterly, a journal associated with the American Association for Public Opinion Research and published by the University of Chicago Press, now published by the Oxford University Press. According to a 1990 book also written by Jean-Noel Kapferer, the leaflet drew the attention of experts, who immediately recognized its dubious nature. The leaflet wrongly listed A330, citric acid, as the most dangerous of all carcinogens. Spread. The rumor, considered one of the most important experienced in the French society, spread via a translated leaflet in Great Britain, Germany, Italy, the Middle East, and Africa. Journalists working for newspapers distributed the list of alleged carcinogens verbatim. Even a 1984 book written by a medical doctor aiming at informing the general public about the dangers of cancer included the substances in the flyer in a list of carcinogens without checking the flyer's accuracy. False connection with the hospital of Villejuif. It was reproduced many times by many individuals as friends sought to inform other friends of the harmful chemicals in their food, and in the course of uncontrolled copying, a version of the leaflet included the name of the Villejuif hospital, making victims to the rumor believe that the list was authorized by it. Even though the hospital, as Gustave Roussy Institute, denied any association, it was unable to stop the further dissemination of the flyer, which went on from hand to hand until at least 1986, and was passed to elementary schools, organizations, and even various hospitals, while medical schools and pharmacy schools also fell victim to the list because of possible explanations. Citric acid is important for a chemical process named Krebs cycle, but Krebs means cancer in German, and it has been suggested that this linguistic confusion may have been responsible for false claims that citric acid is carcinogenic.